Sounds really weird. I don't know if it's like solar conditions or two guys keying up at the same time. Almost like jammers or something. Pretty nuts. This is what I like about this radio. The frequency's over here, guys. Channel 6. As far as I know, this radio does not transmit here either. Even if it did, I wouldn't use it. That's just weird sounding crap. At least it doesn't beep at you. It just flashes. It says, no. Some weird stuff. I'm just double checking. Because it might work, you just don't know it. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, because that thing's flashing. I never checked to see if it was unlocked or not, which is good because it means probably nobody's ever been inside of this thing. I think only one guy owned it before me.